notification bell, subscribe, comment.
Hey, my name is Monique and I am from Sweden. I am now going to give Carl a few tips to cook a very good Janssons Frestelse. As you cannot get the proper anchovies in Portugal, you have to use the salty ones instead of the sweet ones. So what you do is you open the tin, you drain it, and you have to rinse the anchovies very, very, very well. And then put a little bit of sugar on them. And another good tip, only use half the amount that the recipe tells you to use. Okej, lycka till Carl. Hoppas din Janssons frestelse kommer ut och smakar alldeles delikat. Och jag hoppas att din Omnia fungerar.
My friend Monique suggests that I take the salt out of the anchovies and I actually put a bit of sugar in. Well, I'm going to do different because I'm going to put honey liqueur and gin, but we need to separate the juice. So we'll do like that. And put the anchovies in Sharpie the second. There we are. Get them in there. So use a bit of finger. Get them all in. And then I'm going to have to rinse them. Unfortunately, my local shops, all four of them, didn't have cream, so I'm going to have to make my own.
Sweden, 12 points. 12. Mamma mia, here we go again.